Hello and welcome to Dust Food and Barbecue. Let's smoke a couple of chicken on the mini WSM. Okay, so we need a couple of chicken, 2 chicken in my case. And I'm going to spatchcock them, which means removing the backbone. As you can see here, I'm actually going to make a little inset where I do it with a knife, and in the big picture I'm doing it with kitchen shears. Just remove the backbone. Once you have that removed, open up the cavity and look for the bit of cartilage which is kind of in between the wings. Just make a little notch in there and then massage it. Oh no, just break the back of it. Okay, press it down until it goes flat. I'm gonna season this with my all-purpose rub, link above, and since I will be using this for pulled chicken, I'm gonna season the breast under the skin because I'm not really gonna use the skin anyway. So I'm seasoning, pulling the skin back, seasoning it, doing the same thing on the thighs or the legs. Just make sure to get underneath everywhere. So just use your finger, follow up under the skin to expose the meat underneath. The skin will be a protection once it's cooking out on the grill. I'm gonna do it using applewood at about 350 degrees. So suddenly both are done. Okay, so just adding a little bit of seasoning under the wings and then tucking the wingtips underneath the skin just to keep them in place and make them not burn. I'm gonna do it indirect, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, outside it's still sunny, so I've got the bottom grate in the mini WSM, and then of course I'm adding the top grate, 1 chicken on each. This is gonna be perfect. Some probes in there just to make sure I have everything monitored. I want this to be at least 165 or 72 degrees Celsius. Lid on, 350 on the stoker. Let's go. And this is what it looks like about an hour and a half later. I'm just taking an instant read measurement and making sure that both the breast and the thigh are above 165, and they were, and that's what they look like. A little flyover, and then I just had to taste it, didn't I? There we go, some spatchcocking. There we go. There we go, some spatchcocked chicken on the mini WSM. So I'm gonna try a wing. Turned out really well. That AP rub works perfect. It's almost like I did it myself. I'm gonna enjoy this, but you'll see that in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.